Get ready to experience audio bliss with the Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless headphones, delivering unparalleled silence in any environment. These aren't just headphones, they're your personal sanctuary, thanks to industry-leading noise cancellation that truly mutes the world around you, letting your music or podcast shine. Boasting an impressive 30-hour battery life, you can enjoy epic listening sessions, from morning commute to late-night study, all on a single charge. Need to switch from your laptop to your phone seamlessly? The convenient multi-point connection capability makes managing your audio sources effortlessly smooth. Beyond the tech, their sleek design and incredible comfort ensure these are the best wireless headphones for extended wear. If you're looking for the ultimate audio upgrade and the best electronics of 2025, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are a game-changer. Don't miss out. Click the Amazon link in the description to grab yours and elevate your listening experience today. For pristine sound, incredible battery life, and true versatility, these headphones are an absolute must-have. I wholeheartedly recommend the Sony WH-1000XM5 to anyone serious about their sound.